What's good, everybody? 30 seconds to the game starts. Let me crack this one. Yeah. Open this shit. I already got a fucking diamond, a fucking sword, and like hella loot. Oh my god. I got a lucky ass start. And a gapple. Oh my gosh. I'm low-key like set for the game. Let me go kill this guy right now. Unless I'll just get around first. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No, I'm fucking loaded now. Come on, hold on. Yeah, boy, come here. Come here. Yeah, I got a fucking kill. Maybe I'll actually win the game this time. Yeah, run away, boy. Fuck, I got stuck on the block. Yeah, run away, boy. I'm not gonna chase that guy. He's too scary. Oh, he set me on fucking fire. He has a bow. Are we serious? Oh my god, I died. White Monster might be the most overrated beverage ever. People love that shit on Instagram Reels. Like, I don't know, it's not even like that good. Just alright. It's like, I don't know. Like, there's definitely like better flavors. People just get it because it's zero sugar, but there's better zero sugar flavors too. Like the peach one's better than that one. There's like, I don't know, like most Monster flavors are better than the white one. And then like with sugar, you got Pipeline Punch, which, you know, that's like S tier. That's amazing, bro. I love Pipeline Punch. But then like, there's sugar in it, so you can't have it all the time. But whatever. This map, bro, I played this shit on MMC like 3 years ago or something. I think the servers, like, they should make their own maps, bro. That would be really cool. I know it's like nostalgia bait server, but like, bro, that would be like interesting. I want to see like the developers like game design stuff, whatever. Cause people know more about like map design than they do back then, so that would be awesome if they did, you know. Like no debuff or something where you can just hold W or click as fast as you can. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Bro, what? Wait, how do I get out of this? Oh, this whoever made this map is a fucking villain, bro. Oh my god. Yo, fuck, bro, fuck. Bro, I ain't know about this shit. Yo, I did not expect there to be traps. Oh my god. Okay, we got a whole battle royale right now. There's like everybody here. The shit's full, bro. There's like only 2 empty slots. That's crazy. This shit, so much people here. Should I really go in the middle if there's so much fucking people? Like, is it even worth it? I'll do it, fuck it. What, I'm gonna die off for it, watch this. Iron sword, and I'm out of here. Ah, I got a stone sword. Get away from me, I have a stone sword. Ah. Hey, boy. Okay. That was kind of weird of me, I'm not gonna lie. But whatever. I got the shit. I got a kill. I was competent with a bow. That would be good. I'm gonna let you go, bro. I get so annoyed when people run from me, so come here. I say that. Yes, sir. Get poopied on. Arg. Yeah. Bro, I'm so fucking corny. I got 2 kills. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Why is there yo, what? Oh my god, I got gang. I shouldn't say that. Oh my. Okay. I'm gonna stop recording now.